Guys, I just got back from the gym and I have some mango here, and I thought why not do a little mukbang, even though this is something I've never done before, but I love watching them, so I'm gonna do one. I literally love mango so much. Look how nice. I love mango season. Wait, aren't you supposed to talk during mukbangs? I don't really know. But there's not a lot of mango, so I don't really have anything to talk about as well. Also, I do not usually eat my mango like this, I swear. Okay guys, I have finished my mango. Let me know if you guys want some more mukbangs. I don't really know how I feel about this, but let me know because I love eating. Love you.